Alright guys, here we are with another hopefully fun unboxing. Let's get this open and see what we got inside. Hopefully it's fun stuff. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Look at that, a whole pile of stuff. And it's pretty well packaged, which is nice. They give you a Ziploc so it doesn't just go flying everywhere. Oh my goodness, there's just so much going on here. It's going to take a few videos. It's a mini poppet thing, and I don't know, you put your fingers in there or something? I don't know. There's a little spider that decided to drop by over here. Anyway, let's continue on with the video. What do we have here? Some kind of snake-looking thing. I'm going to try not to break anything. And see you in the next one.
Likey.